there! Have you ever been in a conversation where someone says, "You're not listening to me, but..." You swear you heard them? Well, guess what? Hear and listen aren't the same thing. Let's break it down. Here's the deal. Hearing is passive. It's what happens when sound hits your ears. If a car honks outside, you hear it. But listening is active. It means you're paying attention. If your friend explains a problem and you focus on their words, you're listening. Imagine this. You're binge-watching your favorite show when your roommate says, "Dinner's ready." You hear them, but you're so into the plot that you don't react. Then they snap. Are you even listening? Now, another example. You hear noises, like rain or a phone ringing, but you listen to people, music, or instructions. Never say, "I'm hearing a podcast." Say, "listening to." Instead, pop quiz. Which is correct? I love hearing my favorite band's new album. Or, I love listening to my favorite band's new album. If you picked number 2, you're right. Albums deserve your attention. So next time someone says, "Listen up," you'll know they want your focus, not just your ears. Try using both words today and drop a comment if you catch someone mixing them up. And hey, if you listen to this whole lesson, give yourself a high five.